DIREG3D, a holistic framework to estimate 3D key points and hand mesh in real-world coordinates from the 2D input images. It operates in independent monocular mode, utilizing 2D cues and other information. Easily extendable to stereo mode whenever available, running real-time at 60 FPS on our reference HMD. With grayscale image crops and metadata as inputs, features are extracted and concatenated to regress mono-mesh parameters and 3D key points. 3D key point, 2D key point, and mesh losses are used to train the model based on flexible availability of the ground truth. Metadata includes distance of bounding box from the center, box itself, cam intrinsics, and 3D rotation of the optical axis pointing towards center of the detected bounding box. A lightweight model, reusable for different monocular modes, extracts feature vectors which get concatenated in the stereo mode of operation. Additional canonical extrinsic info improves the model performance even further. Trained on a 150K image synthetic dataset and fine-tuned on 5K real frames, the model operates at an average error of 12.37 millimeter in monocular-only mode, improving further to 11.39 in stereo. As next steps, we look forward to incorporate temporal info, handle extreme lighting conditions, and two-hand interactions with better training methodologies. That's all for the presentation. Thanks a lot.